Let me show you how to enable and also use voice access on your Samsung Galaxy A57, so you can control your phone by simply asking it to do various things for you. First, simply let's go in our settings and go to your accessibility settings. In the interaction and dexterity, enable the voice access over here. So see on this corner here you have this quick notifications that you can tap to start or stop the voice access. Also, if you click on the text of the voice access, as you see, you can also set up various other things. Also add this kind of shortcuts that you can press, or also as you see, you also have choice to set up basically different other ways how to launch it. And also, if you go in the settings, so you can also see how to actually use it here and see what are the commands that you can actually ask your phone. So you see, you can pretty much ask everything that you can imagine. You can ask to call someone, control the volume, turn on or off various things. So you see, pretty much everything. By the way, also, if you swipe down here and this thing does not appear, I have found you click this button here, activation button, and then it actually offers some kind of prompts to properly finish setting it up. So at first, when I enabled it, actually wasn't working properly. So until I actually selected this option here, and then it started to work. But after that we can disable it. So if you want to basically start it, simply click on the voice access and you see it starting to work. So you can ask it some things. For example, open settings. Okay, open settings. Go back. Go back. Go home. Open phone. Call Nokia. So you see, I ask it to call basically a phone number in contact basically. So you see, I have call incoming here. Okay, so you see, it's kind of like listening to you at all times, but obviously only those specific commands will trigger it. So no idea why they type it like that, but so open Chrome. Let's see. Go home. Open settings. So you see, you can ask it whatever you can imagine, really. And if you want to turn it off, simply swipe down here and tap the pause. So that's how we turn it off. Okay, good luck.